Hi everyone. I guess I should start out by saying the following is my opinion only. Any trades you make based on my opinions are your responsibility. This is not intended to encourage or discourage the sale or purchase of any investments. I've been trading for over 10 years. I started out with stocks, but for the last 3 years I've been solely trading the S&P futures. I concentrate only on the S&P and generally look for 10 points or more. I will scalp for less, obviously. You can't always get 10 points, but that's what I prefer to get, and look for 10 points or more in any trade that I enter. Okay, this chart is as of Friday's close, Friday, July 15th, 2011, and all it does really is just point out the possibilities of what may play out in the near future. There's three clear channels that I see. One being the more obvious one. You could draw another trend line here, but right here would be one rising channel. The yellow lines indicate a horizontal channel, and the black lines, which I think are more important for the time being, a descending channel. You can also see what may be the beginnings of a head and shoulders, inverted head and shoulders pattern right here. Okay, you can't make any trades off this. This is just what I see on a 2-year chart, and what may play out in the near future. Okay, we need to go to a 6-month chart to see what's going on a little bit clearer. Here again you see what could be the beginnings of an inverted head and shoulders pattern. More importantly for the time being is right here. This could be the beginning, or actually it is the beginning of what could be considered a flag. Time will tell. What needs to be said is right here. The 1320 line is very important for the very near future. We're presently closed as of Friday above the 20 and the 50 EMA and above the descending channel as well at 1316. But I'm saying the 1320 line is key. Why? Because every time we were around it we had a gap. Not necessarily every time, I don't want to say every time, but it's proven to be strong support and resistance. There's three clear areas here, and here even. It's clear to me that's 1320 is an important level for the very near future, as well as a close below where we had these huge wicks, not huge but they're big, which I'm going to call as 1303. If we get a close below 1303, even the flag would have been broken and I would be looking for shorts. But until then, I'm cautiously bullish in this market. I do believe we're going to get a jump. Now, going into Monday, what I'm looking for Monday's trade, and possibly the majority of this week coming, is, well, I'm expecting a gap up Monday morning, a gap up and an open above 1320. If we gap up, and I suspect we will, I expect the 1340 level to be tagged. That's 20 points. If we do not gap up, if we open up at the 1316, 1317, maybe even 1315 level, above the 20 or the 50 rather, sorry, EMA, I would go long on a break of the 1320 with a target of 1330. On the other hand, I am not going to go short Monday. I am only looking for a long. If none of these are matched, if we don't get above the 1320, I am not going to be going long. If we get a close below the 1303, and that's based on previous price movements, 1303 is key to me. and 1320. Actually, for the remainder of the week even, it may very well possibly trade out that way. And that's based on these wicks. As long as we close above the 1303, I will remain bullish going into this week, or for the entire week. But a close below it would bring the 200 EMA and or the lower channel line, presently at, well, 1245 or so. I'm going to go back to my chart here. There's resistance levels all the way up here. I'm picking 1340 because it was clear. Even here, they're 20-point runs. So open above the 1320, I'm going to say 1340 is a pretty clear target. And we close above that, there's a very good chance we break new highs. Very, very good chance. But that's another day. Tomorrow's Monday. So that's what I'm looking for, is a close above the 1320. Well, I think that's about it, except I could say that I'm super excited about the coming week. I think this could be a great week. It may not play out the way I'm expecting, and it could easily roll over here. The market is probably waiting for some news. I believe it's Apple's opening up on Monday. There's some big stocks in the coming week that could push this market higher. And anyways, there's a lot of could-haves. I'm not going to deal with them. Now, I'm going to wrap this up. I'm super excited, like I said, going into this week. Key levels are 1320 on a gap up. On a gap up, I would expect a target of 1340. A close below 1303 on Monday or Tuesday, I would expect the 1280 level, 1271 on the 20, and if we can get below that, good chance we get all the way down to, well, this lower trend line, which is channel line, which is presently at, like I said, 1245 or so. I'm cautiously bullish. I prefer longs, and that's about it. Look for the gap up, strong buy. Good luck. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Stop this thing.